So let's welcome yet another custom ROM that is based on the latest Android 16 QPR2, not QPR1. It was already there with the QPR1 update. Now it's the latest QPR2. In case you're not aware of, Android or basically Google always release some quarterly releases. So with new features, new introduction of some things. Now right now is QPR2 which is going on, not for the Pixel devices but in custom ROMs. Right now we have QPR2. Only few custom ROMs are there with the latest Android 16 QPR2 update, and this one is Clover Project, which is one of them. The default launcher has some changes. It is not Pixel launcher anymore, and if you move on to some of the other things, let me tell you. The latest QPR2 has a one change, basically a very different thing as compared to the previous one, that we have auto themed icons option available. For example, in case you are not aware of, Clover Project is one of the custom ROMs which is close to stock, close to minimal experience, close to Pixel experience you can say. So it does not have any kind of modifications available. Only few things are there. If you click on the default clock on the lock screen, you will see this kind of animation there, a very basic tweak. Just wanted to let you know so you can go and experience this one too. If you move on to wallpapers and style UI, new UI is already here, but with this new latest QPR2 update, you can change these icons. This might not seem a new thing, but because the latest QPR2 has this thing by default, and let me tell you one more thing. If you change these icon shapes, that icon shape will only be applied to home screen, not on the app drawer, so giving it a different look as compared to the previous ones. The default clock can be customized as expectedly, so similar kind of things are available here. If we move on to security and privacy options, in more security options, you'll find this useful thing named as ignore Windows secure flags, and including that, if you just scroll down, you will see, or basically you can simply scroll up here, you have the keybox option available. So if you have any working keybox available there, you can simply export or basically import that, and then you'll be able to pass integrity on your devices. Including this, we have close to stock experience as I just told you at the starting of the video. Also, if you move on to sound and vibration settings, you can adjust this touch feedback. We have levels available there. In-call vibration options are also there. So things have been changed almost here and there. Not a real thing which you were expecting, but it's already good enough. If you move on to battery section, you can enable this battery percentage. The default icons on the lock screen, default icons on the status bar already have been changed with the QPR1 update. If you move on to dark theme options, you will find now we have expanded dark theme option available there, which is a part of latest QPR2. And we already have pure black theme available. So if you are one of the users who want to customize, you want to enable dark theme, we have the option available for that one too. The default recents panel has been changed because the default launcher has been changed. So we have a new clear all button there. Looks a similar one as compared to Pixel launcher, but it's a bit different. So just wanted to let you know. Same goes with game bar. If you're a gamer, you need this kind of information. The option is present here. As far as I know, it's available for some of the Xiaomi devices like Poco F3, Poco F5, maybe for your device also. Let me know if it is available or not. It is close to stock, so if you're looking forward to Android 16 QPR2 based custom ROM which is close to stock, which is close to Pixel experience, Clover Project is here. The good thing is it is open source, so if a device does not have this officially available, you can simply go and find out if anything unofficial available for you, or you can simply ask for it. You can demand any developer regarding this one. You might get this one. Stock close to stock. You can say minimal experience, minimal Pixel experience. Clover Project is here for you. If you want to give it a try, you can. Link for some of the official supported devices is already there in the description. This is it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.